So in this problem, it says if f of x equals sine of 3 of x over 3x plus 2, find f prime of pi over 6. So first, I have to find the derivative of f of x. So this we're gonna need the quotient rule. So which is bot d top minus top d bot over bot bot. So the bottom times the derivative of the top, which is cosine of 3 of x times 3 minus the top, so sine of 3 of x times the derivative of the bottom, which is 3. So, and then it's all over the bottom squared. So now I can plug in pi over 6 into all of the x variables. So 3 times pi over 6 is just going to be pi over 2 plus 2 times cosine of pi over 2, because 3 is multiplying pi over 6, times 3 minus sine of pi over 2 times 3 all over pi over 2 plus 2 squared. So now we can solve for these to get we can simplify it down a little bit more. So I'm going to leave this. So cosine of pi over 2 equals 0. So this is going to be 0 times 3. And since this 0 is here, this will be 0, which will make this 0 too. So minus sine of pi over 2, which is 1. So this will be minus 1 times 3, or 3, over pi over 2 plus 2 squared. So I'm going to stop here at negative 3 over pi over 2 plus 2 squared. And that's my answer.